What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Digital Venture Crew. Today in the studio we got
Birds and Bees Podcast. I'm Braxton Dutson.
And today we're going to be
chugging mustard. We're going to be chugging this mustard to raise awareness for his challenge he's got coming up September 22nd. You want to tell him about it while we
Oh
pull
yeah.
out the seals?
So this is the mustard challenge. Actually, I'm going to be breaking the world record of drinking mustard in under 30 seconds. I've got to drink more than 18 ounces in 30 seconds, under 30 seconds. And the whole point of this is I want to raise awareness for parents to start talking to their kids about sexual health. So we're gonna muster up the courage today to talk to our kids about sexual health, and these guys are gonna help me by drinking mustard right alongside me.
You can see now that he's got two, we've got one.
I've been practicing.
He's been practicing untainted, what would you say? Untampered with.
Untampered, brand
Yeah.
spanking new.
Seals. Oh. Yeah, just a little sample, huh?
Oh, that's potent.
just so I know, where is the spew bucket?
Spew bucket's right here.
Online.
Okay. Oh my gosh. So we're gonna go for 30 seconds.
Are we going tops off or on?
Oh yeah. You guys can choose the way that you're gonna do it. I'm gonna go the way.
I'm gonna do the same as you. Tops on.
Boom.
This is a lot of mustard. Is there like any health concerns to deal with?
So I did research on it, and you have to drink a whole lot more than this for the sodium levels to start causing problems.
Even this entire thing?
Even this entire thing.
Okay.
Oh,
The
wow.
only ones I ran into is if you drink a bunch of, what is that, soy sauce. Soy sauce will get you real quick.
I actually heard about that.
Yeah,
Somebody got
because
killed. That's
I almost
crazy.
did that for the roulette one we did, and then I can't remember who said it, but like, no, don't do that. People go into comas?
Yeah,
Or-
like
Oh, really?
it can cause a whole bunch of brain
Yeah,
damage.
so I was like, oh,
This,
tell me.
this is like a 0-calorie food, so it's good for you.
So what we'll do is we'll do 30 seconds on the clock. We'll chug it down, then afterwards we'll shoot up to the kitchen and we'll pour out the bottles and see who got the most down. He has to do 2 because he has to break the record. We're just doing 1 just to feel the pain. And here comes the pain. Without
All
further
right.
ado, boys.
Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go. That's a lot.
Listening to him next to me, it's just like just going nuts.
Oh my god.
That was a lot of mustard.
I'm like so tingly right now.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa.
That is a sensation I have never felt in my entire life. Woo! It's so thick and it just globs down your esophagus.
Yeah, mine's like brandy still.
Oh god, that is extremely empty. That one's not so far. I think I got, what, half would you say?
Do you
They're
like
the same.
Do you like gulp it as you're squeezing? Because I just like filled up my mouth and
Dude, here's the thing. I think I can do it better. Let's do 1 more 30 seconds.
Oh my gosh.
Alright.
Where's that spew bucket? I almost lost it.
1 more 30 seconds
Okay.
on the clock. I only got about halfway down. I really want to get this whole thing down. Okay.
It's all mental game now.
How can I know what you're going through unless I actually get to that point?
Okay, good call.
Hold on.
That is a true statement. We're gonna need to have this all down.
Okay.
Okay.
And this is why we can never make videos under 10, 20 minutes.
Screwing around. Okay.
Alright.
Ready?
Oh my god. I'm puking for sure on this.
Okay,
one.
3,
I can already feel it.
2, 1, go.
mine had like an air bubble. It was like just shotguns in my mouth.
Oh god, that's a lot.
3, 2, 1.
I think it's all in my beard.
All right, we'll go shoot up to the kitchen, get these figured out, and we'll let you see who got the most.
Oh, you made me laugh so hard.
Instantly, I was like, here we go.
It just shot in my mouth.
All right, we made it to our other set, the set of In the Kitchen. I don't know if you've seen those. Totally recommend checking those out. And we're gonna see who had the most mustard. We're gonna pour it in. Whoever has the most, whoever didn't chug the most, is gonna get their very own golden shower of mustard. Thank you. Now, Braxton got a little carried away already. He started pouring his in.
I did.
So the rest of us will just follow suit.
I already know. That is so much mustard.
I didn't get crap there.
I'm feeling the same way.
I was legitimately chugging, man.
That's as fast as I was going in that first little bit. Uh-oh. I think I lost.
So as you can see, I did pretty well, considering a full bottle right there. Braxton had 2 bottles,
Did not get it, and there's still a little bit left in there.
but at the same time, Brian had only 1 bottle, and that's where he is. So it's between you two definitely who gets the golden shower of mustard. All right, let's do rock, paper, scissors.
Okay, one go?
1 go.
Okay.
Paper, scissors.
Yeah!
Oh my god! All right, we'll set him up for it.
Let's see in the next one.
All right, here we are back in the studio. As you can see from our last little clip, Ryan's the unlucky loser. So today, he's getting his first mustard shower.
All I can
AKA
say,
the golden shower.
AKA the golden shower.
all I can say is, Braxton, you better beat the world record.
Gotta get it after this.
All right, let's freaking hit it.
It's so
Oh
cold.
my gosh.
So cold.
There's so much effort.
Hey, dude, I can't breathe too hard. It's so vinegary.
Oh wow, there's still so much in there.
This doesn't like to
Oh
come
dude,
out.
turn it sideways and it really runs.
Oh.
Oh my god.
I can't see anything. It went black. And it went right in my nostril. The smell is so strong.
Maybe we could break another world record. Fastest one to lick Brian clean of all of us. Bad idea. Well, there you guys have it. I hope you guys enjoyed the show. Be sure to check out Braxton and his Birds and Bees podcast. You can find him. Go ahead and tell him, brother. Find him where you're
You can
at.
find the Birds and Bees podcast at birdsandbeespodcast.com. Also on Stitcher, iTunes, and Spotify. All free to listen to. It's for parents and parents with kids.
Dude, it plugged my nose. It dropped right in my left nostril. I was like,
We're gonna get Brian cleaned up now.
Go ahead and check him out. He's got some great stuff. Thanks again for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you next time.
See ya. That was a lot of mustard.